away from the hustle and bustle and have fun frolic in court shuttle. Let's sing and dance like a turtle in the puddle. I love my court shuttle.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about sequencing. Okay Aria, so today what we are going to do, you know our robot Infinity? We are going to give the instruction to the Infinity and he is going to draw a smiley for us. Okay, so let's see how he draw a smiley. Okay, let's begin. Yes, you will give instruction to Infinity Robot and we will see how he will draw a smiley. Let's begin. Robot.
Thank you, Aria.
Aria, for a smiley, what we need?
Okay. Circle.
Oh my God! Infinity has drawn this small circle. How is it going to turn into a smiley? This is wrong, Infinity. This is wrong.
You told me to draw a circle. I had drawn a circle.
Give it to Infinity. Infinity, draw a what circle? You draw a bigger circle, right? Draw a bigger circle. What is this? Is this a right circle? What you did?
I have drawn big circle. You had tell me to specific diameter of the circle.
I think Aria, we need to tell robot to be very specific. So I think we need to give him the diameter. Huh? Smaller?
Okay, 10 centimeter circle.
We want a circle of 10 centimeter diameter.
Okay, I made a circle of 10 centimeter.
Yes, this is right. Right? Yay! Finally! Now what we need in Smiley?
You have to tell me specific instructions.
Infinity, draw a circle inside this circle. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is not an eye. We can make this. This is not an eye. Please.
You have told me to draw a circle inside a circle.
Draw a small circle inside this small circle. Infinity, eyes cannot be in the middle. Eyes need to be up.
You have told me the specific location of the circle.
Okay. Infinity, draw a circle of 2 centimeters in the upper side of the circle. It's round, Infinity, it's round. Okay. This is round, Infinity.
What you had told me, I followed that.
Okay, my mistake. Infinity, draw a circle of 2 centimeters in the center of the first quadrant. So divide this into 4 quadrants, go in the first quadrant and then draw a circle in the center.
Okay.
Finally, this is second quadrant though, but it will do as we need eyes in both the quadrants, first and the second.
Can you draw a similar circle on the opposite side of the circle? No, we need an eye here, not here.
You have to tell me specific instruction.
Oh, okay. Infinity, we need similar circle. So,
Infinity, draw the similar circle of 2 centimeters in the first quadrant of the circle.
okay, good job. Now, Infinity, draw an arc for the mouth. Oh. This one is going to smile here. What is this going on? Is it right? This is a line. We need an arc. Infinity, what you should tell him? Draw a mouth for the smiley. Make an arc. Draw an arc inside the circle. Is it right?
No.
What is this? Yes, get some. Infinity, draw an R in the bottom of this circle. Yeah, it's not perfect. It's not perfect.
You have given me specific instructions.
Okay. Infinity, draw an R in the middle of the third and the fourth quadrant. Is it okay? It's too big of a smile. The face is so small, the smile is too big. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Infinity, draw an arc of the length 5 centimeter in the middle of the third and fourth quadrant. Yay! Finally, we got a smiley. Clap for Infinity. Thank you, Aria. So now you have seen how Infinity has drawn smiley. It is such a simple smiley, but we need to be very specific in giving the right instruction to a robot or a machine, right? So this is for giving any instruction for any computer program or any coding or to any machine. You have to give a step-by-step instruction in the right sequence. Correct? Thank you. Bye.
Make it work, make it right, make it fast with the caution flight.